Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check, add or remove a Facebook page admin. If you manage a Facebook page, you can view who has access to the page, invite new people to help or remove someone who no longer needs access. To get started, open your Facebook app on a device and from here you need to go to this three-lined icon in the top left. So over here scroll all the way to the bottom until you find the settings and privacy and select that, and you need to select settings again. So from here in the top, there's this search setting, select that. Simply type down page access and select page access here. And in this section, you will see a list of people who currently have access to your Facebook page. And this is where you can check. To add a new admin, you need to click add new in the top right or add people to page and enter the person's Facebook name or email address. Select their profile and choose the appropriate level of access. And Facebook may ask you to enter your account password to confirm the change. Once confirmed, the person will receive an invitation and they will need to accept. And to remove an existing admin, you need to return to this access section here and you need to select the person that you want to remove and click remove access and enter your password again if prompted. And that is it. That's how you can check, add or remove a Facebook page admin. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.